Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about going to university versus reading from books. Which is better? Alright, when you go to university, you pay the tuition. You get the classes you're interested in. It's not for your major. And they have tools that can help you get a job. That's pretty much what's designed for, the salary, everything. Everything. You spend total about, let's say you do a 2-year college and 2 years you finish at your bachelor at the university. You can spend about 10 to 20,000. Not so expensive. If you do the other way, you can pretty much spend about 40,000, 50,000, depending on what university you chose. They only teach you like how to find a job, pretty much, and elevate through your career through life. After you retire, 30 years, take retirement, RA, do the rest of your life. Alright, the next best part, reading from books. Alright, when you read from books, based on what you are interested in, let's say if you're interested in real estate, business, or technology, research the top best people on the market. As like for real estate, you can choose like somebody that's famous, have over 10 years experience. Anybody under 10 years experience, they're not that famous yet, but choose someone. Okay, top real estate books of all time, top business books of all time, top technology books of all time, and so forth and so forth. After you find a book, use Amazon. Type in the book, read the basic like preview, what the cover chapters, and compare it with other books to figure out which ones are the best ones. Because most of them will tend to repeat themselves, and you don't want a lot of repeating books. So choose the top best in the field. Research the author's background. It's very important because they can teach you like how many years, how they begin, everything, like their life story. And next, after that is you can also you learn better from books compared to university. University, you just learn a lot. You just use it, memorize for tests, but sometimes you forget it in the future and you gotta re-look it back and so forth. The books teach you real life experience that can help you save a lot of money. And they're pretty much like, they already told you like pretty much what to do, what to avoid mistakes, the good and the bad. It's pretty much like clear cut, make it everything simple. So buy a few books, and it's relatively nice, that expensive. You can go like on Amazon, thrift bookstore, book outlet, and a bunch of other websites. But Amazon thrift books are the best ones because Amazon, you can see the books is very expensive. You have new and used. Same thing for thrift books, new or used. But thrift books, it's more cheaper. Why? Because shipping is not too crazy. Amazon shipping is at least $3.99 to $5.99, but right now it's $5.99 because they increased because due to demand. Everybody orders from Amazon. $5.99, minimum order $25. Okay. Thrift books, new and used books, mostly good condition. You can choose your conditions, and relatively cheap. Lowest price, you may cheap one about $5, so about $50. Amazon, you can go $5 and all the way to about a few $100 depending on the popularity of the book, author recognition, and so forth. On thrift books, pretty much everything is like shipping, 99 cents. $10 or less, 99 cents. Over $10, free shipping. And they have like a lot of warehouses. They have like 6 or 7 warehouses from counting East Coast, Midwest, West, South. Okay, learn from books makes it easier. All the author asks you to do is everything you read, the knowledge, put it into action. Wow, university, you could put it in action, but you have to spend more time in the university. You can take a part-time job. You'll use very little. So by the time you finish your 4 year, maybe depend on your job, internship job, to management position, or entry-level position. So it's best, you have to be the best of the best for university. Top in your class, recruiters come, pick you up. Boom. 2 year, 5 year, whatever, contract with a sign-up bonus and so forth. That takes, you spend 30 years of your life with that job, and you sometimes stay in that company, or after the 5 year, then you jump to another company and so forth, so forth. Well, from books, you pretty much can start. Let's say you just learn for about 6 months of education. That's already pretty much enough, because books, you have everything. And you have a lot of resources you can use, like for like the business section. Okay, you can do a simple business plan. You can start your own business. They'll teach you step by step from beginning to end, which you'll have to purchase at least 3 to 5 or even more books, not more than 20. You just choose the best books and outline like all the books, like, okay, what does this book have while the other books have? And each part is different sections. Every book has different categories. So choose your categories carefully of what you want to go into. Okay, business. Okay, you've got restaurant, technology, product development, service side. Mostly it's product service side. Pretty much simple. Well, in other, let's say technology. Okay, technology. What do you want to go into? Computer science, engineering, computer engineering, cybersecurity, networking, coding, web design, data analyst. There's so many parts. Cybersecurity is like comprised of like 20 different majors into one, but you will have introduction to each one and with some advances. So reading from books, I've read a lot of books so far, about 10 or 20, in a variety of fields, test them out, and they really do work. But the marketing part, for any marketing book, it takes time. So you have to test out for like 30, 60, 90 days. If some things don't work out for you, this is what you do. You test out for like 3 months. Based on that thing. If you don't like it, or even 2 months. Up to you. If you don't like it, move on to the next thing. But the benefit is you learn already everything. Like what works, what doesn't work. Based on what you already read from the book, you tested it out, and you figure out what ideas work, what ideas don't work. So you pretty much know the mistakes for that section, like for marketing. And then all you got to do is continue learning. When you get like, you start a business, it's always you gotta continue learning. Learn from your mistakes. Even after university, on that side. Continue education. Continue to stay top of your profession. If you stop continuing education, you can see like, okay, your job skills will go a little down, and customer asks you a question, can I answer? That's pretty much gonna give you like, they can review you, they can give you, let's say 1 to 5 star, right? Is that you answer their question, you pretty much got 5 star. You could go above and beyond, but if you don't know that much on a certain section, they can give you 3, 4 star, or even lower. Everything's based on customer service. That's if you do very well in your job, make more sales for your company. If you go into the university way, promotion. Well, reading from books way, you have to pretty much go like heads on, take risks, but you can eliminate risks because everything in the book that the author already told you, like they already tried this business, tried everything, your risks are reduced to very minimal. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video with everyone so they know about the difference between university versus reading from books. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.